In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a button go to another page in Carrd. Even though Carrd is built around single-page sites, you can create a button that smoothly takes visitors to a specific section, which feels just like navigating to another page. I'll walk you through adding a scroll point, creating the button, linking it correctly, publishing, and testing everything. Start by heading to carrd.co and opening your dashboard. Choose the project you want to edit so you're in the site builder. We'll begin by creating the destination for our button. Click Add to insert a new element, then choose Control. In the Control settings, open the Type dropdown and switch it to Scroll Point. This creates a hidden anchor on your page. Place this scroll point immediately before the content you want to reveal when someone clicks the button. Positioning matters. Set it slightly above the section's title or top element so the header isn't cut off when the page scrolls. Give the scroll point a clear name, then copy that name. Keep it simple, all lowercase, and without spaces or special characters so it's easy to reference. Next, add the button that will do the navigating. Click, Add again, and select Buttons. Open its settings by expanding the options with the small arrow, then change the label to something descriptive like Learn More or See Details. In the URL field, type a hash symbol followed by the exact scroll point name you copied earlier, for example, #features. This hashtag format tells Carrd to scroll to that internal anchor. Matching the name exactly is important. It's case sensitive and must be identical to the scroll point. Drag the button into the spot on your page where you want visitors to find it. Once you're happy with its placement and label, click Done to save your changes. Now publish your updates. Click Publish, confirm by selecting Publish Changes, and then hit View Site to open the live page. Test the button by clicking it. You should see the page smoothly scroll down to the target section. If it lands a bit too high or low, go back into the builder, nudge the scroll point position, click Done, Publish again, and retest until it feels perfect. That's it. You've created a button in Carrd that takes visitors straight to another section, giving your one-page site a multi-page feel with clean, intuitive navigation.